What's going on, people? This is Brandon with Brandon Reviews, hitting you with another review for Thread Beast. I've been a little behind, I guess. No, that's an understatement. I've been extremely behind. This is June's box that I'm doing in September. Yes, I have some clothes that I got in June, and I'm not even gonna do the review until September. Yes, I know I'm very bad, but oh well, hopefully you all will still enjoy this review. And I am hopeful for this box because I actually haven't looked in it yet. Before I get into everything, I just want to remind you all, it is very helpful for this channel if you all like this video, also subscribe to my channel, and then share the video with anyone that you might think this would be a good look for them. Thread Beast is a really good situation if you have a significant other or a child that you feel like you might have a little trouble shopping for. As long as they're in the urban clothing, Thread Beast is where it's at. They have different levels where you can subscribe. You know, the more you're willing to pay, the more clothes that you're gonna get in each package. And just imagine just getting some high-end clothing every single month, at least. Usually I think I get around about 2 to 3 outfits out of each box, and I have the $85 level. Off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly what that is, but I think the highest is like the baller box. And I think that's like $250 a month, which is pretty cool because I think that they give you like a pair of sneakers in every box, but you know, that's really cool. But I'm cool with my $85 box. You know, it definitely supplies me with at least 2 outfits and a bunch of accessories. Again, make sure that you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, by all means, I definitely urge you to go ahead and drop that comment in the comment section, and I'm usually pretty good about responding. So if you guys have questions about Thread Beast, I'm more than happy to answer them. All right, let's see what we got here. All right, so I know in other videos you all heard me complain a lot about the underwear, but they are so comfortable. I actually would prefer to get like a pair of underwear in like each box. Okay, so got a pair of Reebok shorts. I can put this in my gangbang section because this is just like that Dodger blue that folks in LA just love for reasons that are potentially going to get me in trouble. I have a pair of Champion socks, which are cool, but since it's like a brand, it's like kind of hard to wear sometimes, but you know, we'll get into that later. So we have a pair of pants here that has like the little stretchy waistband. They're blue. They seem pretty cool. We'll see how short they are. They look like they have the potential to be short. You know how I like to complain about my ankles showing. You know, I'm funny like that. Okay, we have a t-shirt. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't say what the brand of the pants were. They are called Elwood. And you know, the shorts were Reeboks. This t-shirt that I'm about to show you, that is SSUR. So I'm not quite sure what that is. It's got like a little crossbones thing going on in there. And you know, here's the shirt. Yeah, it looks cool. Looks like it'll probably go pretty decent with the pants. And then I have a shirt, I'm guessing it says CLSC. I don't know if that stands for classic, but at least this might save those shorts because it's got some red in it. So I might be gangbang neutral right here, but I also might look like a clown just slightly, I don't know. But hey, I might give it a try. Yeah, this actually might work. I actually might be able to wear this outfit now that it has some red in it. I don't think anybody's gonna find me as LA threatening now. But I think overall in this box, you know, I think I'm pretty satisfied with it. I really wasn't sure what to expect coming off of this long break of doing these review videos. So I think that if I had to really estimate everything, these pants probably could go easily for like 50 bucks. These shorts probably 30 bucks at least. So that's already $80. You know, my $85 is just in those two right there. I'm sure these t-shirts could be 25 a piece. And I'm sure these socks could be anywhere from $10 to $15 individually. So, like I said, you always are going to win dealing with Thread Beast. So let's say whether that was 80 plus 50, so that's 130. Might as well say 140. So I ended up getting $140 worth of clothing. I feel like it's usually a lot more than that, estimating. But like I said, some of this stuff could be very well more expensive than what I know, but it is what it is. But like I said, I'm pretty happy with this box, so there's nothing I can complain about. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on so that you all can see what it all looks like. And just to give you a better idea, like if Thread Beast is really something for you as far as them styling for you, because I am the type of person that does not like to pick out my own clothes. I was a straight-laced Macy's guy for the longest, and you know, at the end of the day, like I just have to recognize that like I was just a plain Jane type of dude, or plain John. I don't know if that's really a thing, but I just recognized that my style was kind of weak. You know, it was just kind of plain. And this has definitely stepped me up quite a few notches. So I'm really happy with the quality of the clothes, the different brands that they have access to. So I definitely recommend you try it. And just one more time, please like the video, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share with anyone that you think could use this service. And if you're really interested in Thread Beast, by all means, use the link that's in the description and sign up. I'm pretty sure they're gonna hook you up with some free stuff. I think it's like $50 worth of stuff if you follow the link in my description. All right, so catch you in a minute. If you've been curious about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or other stocks and cryptocurrencies, you've got to jump on it right now. I use Robinhood for most of my stock and crypto transactions, then Crypto.com for all of my other crypto needs. I've made thousands of dollars just by investing a few $100s. You can do the same today. Just follow the links in the description and watch your money grow. You won't regret it. Okay, here I am with the first outfit from June's box for Thread Beast. And this shirt is a super medium, which is supposed to be an extra large. I guess that if I didn't have my nice little belly here, maybe it would be a flattering shirt, but yeah, this shirt ain't going, yeah, I can't mess with this one. So very tight fitting shirt. Shorts feel fine. I'll definitely probably keep the shorts just for whatever reason, but the shirt, yeah, this one gonna have to go. This was a bad pick, just because it fits so tight, and this is not gonna be a shirt that everybody can wear. So sadly, this ain't the one for me. But by all means, this might be for you. We'll see. All right, folks, so this is outfit number 2 from Thread Beast June box. I kind of had a feeling that these pants were gonna be showing off my ankles, but I didn't think they were gonna be trying to show off my thighs too. I'm just gonna call these leggings dang near, you know what I'm saying? So, hold on. Yeah, so these are the second outfit for a box, for the June box. And I knew that my ankles were gonna be showing. I'm not quite sure how I feel about how tight these are. You know what I'm saying? They stretch, but yeah, I just don't know how I feel about them being this close fitted. Pants wise, I feel like I'm wearing some leggings. Yeah, I'm gonna have to pray on these to see if it's something that I would keep in my wardrobe. So, on to the next thing. For all of my digital and creative assets, I use Envato Elements to find stock photos, music tracks, web templates, graphic and video templates for all of my various projects. Check it out and take your creativity to the next level. And depending on the project, when I need high quality music tracks for video and audio clients, I always turn to Soundstripe. They have over 100,000 music, video, and special effects tracks to choose from that will take your creative projects to the next level. Sign up today and I promise you'll thank me later. The link will be in the description for both.